Hello students, in this video we will see what is regression. Imagine this. You have a lemonade stand, and you want to predict how much money you'll make based on the weather. You notice that on hot days you sell more lemonade, and on cold days, you sell less. How regression helps. Regression is like drawing a line through all your past sales to predict how much you'll make on a new day based on the temperature. If today is very hot, the model predicts high sales. If today is cold, the model predicts low sales. If today is warm but not too hot, the model finds a middle value. Why it's cool. Regression helps computers make smart guesses about numbers. It can predict things like how tall you'll be when you grow up, how much your dog will weigh based on its age, how much time it will take to finish your homework based on the number of questions. So regression is like a magic math tool that finds patterns and helps us predict the future.